Hi and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be making this delicious chicken curry in the slow cooker. Let's get started. So this is all the ingredients for the recipe, and we're going to be using 4 cloves of garlic, which we're going to peel and chop up. We're going to be using 2 teaspoons of fresh ginger. I'm going to use the paste. 3 tablespoons of medium curry powder, half a teaspoon of chili flakes, a half a teaspoon of salt, 100 grams of mango chutney, or a quarter of a cup, 400 milliliters of coconut milk. I'm going to use a can, that's 400 milliliters in there. It works out at 1.75 cups. We're going to have 1 large onion. I'm going to peel and chop that quite finely. We're going to be using 1 kilogram of chicken breasts today. You can use thighs, but make sure they're boneless. And at the end, before we serve, we're going to stir in 1 teaspoon of garam masala. So here's our slow cooker. We're going to start by adding the chicken. We've got 1 kilogram of chicken breast. We'll put that in there first. And then next, what we're going to do is we're going to put in the mango chutney. Just spoon all that inside. That's going to give it a lovely sort of sweet taste. And then next, what we're going to do is we're going to put in the garlic. Just finely chop the garlic. Just get all that garlic off the plate. There we are. It's all stuck to the spoon. Next, we're going to put in the onions. They've been very finely chopped up as well. Make sure we get all those into the slow cooker. The next ingredients are going to be the medium curry powder, the chili flakes, and the ginger puree. Make sure we get all of that off the plate. Absolutely lovely. And then the coconut milk. We've got a whole tin of coconut milk here, 400 milliliters. Just get the spoon in there, get it all out of the can. This is going to be a lovely creamy coconut type curry. A bit like a korma, but we've got the chili flakes in there. Give it a bit of a kick. You don't have to put the chili flakes in if you don't like spice. We won't put this in yet, but just before we serve, we put a little bit of garam masala powder. And then what we're going to do is just give it a jolly good stir. We're going to get all of that coconut milk and all of those spices mixed together. It's going to be a lovely colour all around. It's sort of a yellowy orange colour. We are going to cook this today on high for 4 hours. You can cook it on low for 6 hours. We're not going to brown the meat first. You could do, but this is just one of the easiest ways to cook an amazing chicken curry. Really effortless. Just chuck all the ingredients in, push go, and then in 4 hours we're going to have a beautiful curry for our main dinner tonight. And that, to me, looks about right. So let's get that lid on. There we are. And then what we'll do is we'll turn on the machine. We want it to be on the slow cook function. And we're on the high. There we go. And we're going to adjust the time to 4 hours. And let's push start. Okay, so there's about 14 minutes left on the clock. We're going to take off the lid. And what we're going to do now is add in that 1 teaspoon of garam masala. We tend to do this at the end of the cooking cycle because if you overcook garam masala, it does go quite bitter. So there we are. In it goes. And then what we're going to do is give it another jolly good stir. The smell in the kitchen is absolutely amazing. The family are going to really enjoy this chicken curry tonight. It's so easy to do. But we're going to give that a good old stir. It's a lovely rich yellow colour. And as you can see the steam coming off of it, it's piping hot. And only 13 minutes left. So I think that's about enough stirring. Let's get that lid on and leave it to cook for the final 13 minutes. And here's our amazing chicken curry. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any more future content, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.